Think you need to pay hundreds of dollars to use the crazy AI videos you've been seeing all over TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube? Think again. What if I told you that you could access powerful AI models like VO 3.1, Seedance 2.0, and even Grok 4.5 completely free? With no login, no subscriptions, and no annoying limits stopping you from creating as many videos as you want? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, in this video, I'll show you the exact platforms that give you free access to these tools, and I'll explain how you can start using them right away. So make sure you watch until the end because I'll reveal everything you need to know. And if you love discovering powerful AI tools and making content easier, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on videos like this. First off, I'm going to start by getting some prompts from ChatGPT that we'll use for these video generations. Then we're going to test out a couple of platforms to see what kind of results they can actually produce. The links to all these platforms will be in the description below, so make sure to check them out after watching. Let's start with the first one. This platform is called WizStar, and it gives us access to Seedance 2.0 completely free. First of all, just take a look at how professional this platform looks. The interface is clean, easy to navigate, and doesn't feel like one of those sketchy AI websites. What's even better is that this platform gives us 300 credits every single day, and each generation costs only about 10 credits, meaning you can create multiple videos daily without spending a dime. To get started, we head over to the Tools section on the left-hand side. You'll see things like video reference, lip sync, and several other AI tools. But today, we're here for the video generator. Click on it, select text to video, and then choose Seedance 2.0 as the model. Next, we jump over to ChatGPT, copy our prompt, come back here, and paste it in. For the settings, we'll select a 16:9 aspect ratio and choose whatever duration we want. Then we simply click Generate. The platform gives us an estimated generation time of around 5 minutes. So let's skip ahead to the results. And wow, take a look at this. The motion is smooth, the details are sharp, the lighting looks cinematic, and honestly, for a completely free generation, this looks ridiculously good. You could easily use footage like this for YouTube videos, ads, short films, content creation, or even client work. This is the kind of quality people usually expect to pay for. Now let's move on to the next platform. This one is called VO AI Free, and it is literally one of the best free AI platforms available right now. What makes it stand out is that you get access to a huge collection of image and video generation models all in one place. And the best part? It's completely free, and you don't even need to create an account to start generating. We head over to all video generators, select our preferred model, choose a 16:9 aspect ratio, and then head back to ChatGPT for another prompt. We copy the prompt, paste it in, and hit Generate. A few moments later, we get our result. And honestly, this one is impressive too. The scene composition looks great, the movement feels natural, and the overall quality is surprisingly high for something generated completely free. The fact that you can get results like this without paying for a subscription is actually crazy. Whether you're creating YouTube content, TikToks, Instagram Reels, or marketing videos, this platform gives you access to some seriously powerful AI tools at zero cost. And there you have it. 2 platforms that let you access powerful AI video generation models completely free. No expensive subscriptions, no hidden fees, and in some cases, not even a login required. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials, and let me know in the comments which platform gave you the best results. Don't forget to check the links in the description so you can try them out for yourself. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.